Today's video is gonna be about my fog lights. I'm doing this because a lot of people is asking me how did I install them. I was planning to do an install video, but it was really cold, so I really didn't do it back then. But I'm gonna show you how did I install them. The first set right here, these are the Aurora diffuse lights. They perform very well. If you want to buy some Aurora products, I'm gonna be leaving the store link on the description. They are high quality LED pods. I really recommend them. These are not cheap stuff, trust me. You are gonna be very happy with them. Just look at that, more than a year. These things are like crystal clear. I never get moisture inside, but anyways, this is not a review. This is about the installation. So I was planning to take the lens on the factory fog headlight, but these LED pods were way too big to leave, you know, the inside of the fog light headlamp. So I have to take it out, the whole headlight. And I don't know if you notice these bumps right here under. There's the other one right there. So to make them fit on, I trim the ones on the top. I don't know if you can see that. So I grind that, and I grind that one too to make them fit. I didn't grind it all the way to the back, but you have to play with it. What else? On the bottom, no issues at all. So what I did there is put a knot to raise them up and make them hit on top. On this side, I didn't put nothing because the cube is resting on that bump right there. I don't know if you can see that. Just play with your LED pods and try to figure it out something. That's how I did mine. I'm gonna show you on the bottom. This is how it looks on back here. That one is rusting out because that's not the original bolt. That one over there, I think that's the original one. That's a stainless steel. But like I said, I have to play with materials and all the kind of stuff to make them work how I want it. Now, how do I wire them? Well, the diffuse light is wired to the factory wiring, so you don't need a relay for this. You know, LEDs are very efficient. Like I say, it's been more than a year. In case you are wondering the polarity of this wire harness, the white and black is your negative and the green is your positive. So I did a modification for this. They actually are my daytime lights. So just by turning the fog light switch on, they stay on all the time. I'm gonna show you. As you can see, focus. So I got everything off. So fog lights on right there. I'm gonna open the switch and you're gonna see in the front. Close the switch, off. So now if I kill this fog light switch, they're not gonna come on. So that's how they work. I'm gonna turn on fog lights and low beams. Normally, you know, these work on any Lexus GX470. Same thing for the 4th generation 4Runners, are the same exact thing. So I did this modification. My 2006 4Runner is the same exact thing. I mean, those trucks are basically the same. The good thing about this modification is when you put your high beams, your fogs stay on. So that's a separate mode or modification. So you can see high beams, low beams, and your factory fogs. Well, these are aftermarket, but they are wired onto the factory wiring. Now, for the ambers, I did a separate switch, and these lights basically are hot all the time. As you can see, the key is all the way closed, so this can work anytime that I want, even if the key is not in the vehicle. I mean, I'm very in love with these amber LEDs. That's the truth fog lights. I only use them on heavy rain or heavy fog. So I choose the amber color switch for them, so at night, you know, by your reflection you can see, you know, the button, so you can press it whenever you want. Same thing, it works with the parking lights. So there you go. Now let me show you under the hood. I just installed this big battery a couple months ago. If you haven't watched the video, I'm gonna leave the link on the description as well. It came out very nice. It's a very expensive battery. It's very heavy, but very powerful. So yeah, anyways, all my relays are here. I mean, have two relays here, there's one relay over here, and this is extra for side lights, but I want to sell my truck in a couple days, maybe weeks. I just bought that for runner. Anyways, I don't need the Lexus anymore. I mean, I'm very in love with it, but it is what it is. I need some money to do some change on my life, so I decided to sell this beauty right here. But anyways, all the relays are there. LED bar, you haven't watched that video, I'm gonna be leaving the link on the description below as well. So for this other side is the same exact thing. I mean, it's not the prettiest, but everybody loves them. I mean, a lot of people ask me on Instagram how did I did it on my videos. You see, that one is a little bit crooked this way, but I mean, nothing is perfect, nobody's perfect, but they do the job, and far away you don't even notice. Very nice modification, guys. So I believe that's it, guys, for this video. Once again, thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Give us thumbs up, comment what do you like to know, and see you on the next one. Peace.